the wettest night that I think we have had in a very long time. It's kind of nice to hear the sound of thunder again and a good amount of rain without much of a severe weather risk anymore. Still finding some heavy downpours, though, coming across south sides of the metro from Tinker down to Moore as you go down towards the Riverwind Casino. Our crews are still out. Nick, Shane, Derek, you see their pictures there on the left-hand side of your television screen. Within these lines of storms that you see here, you're going to find some very small hail, nothing larger than pea size out of this, from just west of or just north of the Riverwind Casino, west of OU. That's going to extend up towards Moore and going into the east side of Moore, right down Sooner Road. Same thing here over Franklin, where you see these little areas of pink. That's mainly going to be some heavy rain and some pea-sized hail mixed in with it. So all in all, the risk for severe weather is quite low now for the rest of the night. And when we look at our storm impact, they're purple. This is where you have your small hail. Here's small hail here, small hail here in Cleveland County, and that will lift up to the north. Otherwise, still finding some rain popping up as you make way over Lake Thunderbird going into Cleveland County. That's going to move up into Pottawatomie County as well. Still finding some nice steady rain, and it comes down for a bit here. It's cold outside, I know, but it is a nice rain in northern Pottawatomie County. Seminole County, the rain's going to mainly stay in northern parts of the state, or northern parts of the county, I should be saying, but you'll see a few on and off showers this evening. For Edmond to downtown Oklahoma City, on and off showers remain for this evening, a few rumbles of thunder. All this will lift up towards Langston, Guthrie, up towards Mulhall, Stillwater, Payne County. Look at this right here. I love to see this. This is a lot of widespread moderate to heavy rain from Marlin to Perry, up towards Ponca City, Tonkawa, Deer Creek, Medford, out towards Enid, northwestern Oklahoma, finding some showers. Right now it is still all liquid. The snow is still falling out across southwestern Kansas, but eventually it will rain enough to where it's going to drop those temperatures for Buffalo to Laverne out across the Panhandle to where this rain will change over to snow. More on that in just a second. I'll show you the latest right now with what's left of our severe thunderstorm watch. Still remains in effect for the metro for another 40 minutes. Otherwise, down to the south, no longer in effect out across western Oklahoma. So the risk for severe weather is quickly wrapping up. By 11:30, still going to find some moderate to heavy rain from the metro, Edmond up towards Guthrie and Kingfisher. Rain, snow mix out across the Panhandle. And we're still going to see at least a few lingering showers and thunderstorms moving into northern Oklahoma by 1 a.m. But a lot of us will see the rain wrapping up by then. Other than a few on and off showers early tomorrow morning as you head out the door by 6 a.m., it's very light, it's brief, on and off, nothing like we're seeing right now, and really the rain's going to wrap up pretty quickly here. So our winter weather advisory for Buffalo to Woodward remains in effect for up to 1 inch of a wet, slushy snow here. Otherwise, for many of us, no need to worry about any type of snow at all. Temperatures tonight, they are cool. We're down into the 30s out across western and northwestern Oklahoma. It's chilly, and these winds, they are going to be so strong, at times gusting to 40 miles per hour tomorrow morning. So this is going to be a chilly 57-degree high temperature. While the winds are going to slowly come down tomorrow afternoon, it is going to be completely different than what you have felt over the last couple of days. Dress like it's wintertime here because, as I mentioned, 57 degrees with winds at times gusting up close to 40 miles per hour. This is going to be a cold 57-degree high temperature, mid-50s out across northern Oklahoma. You know what, though? It's only here for one day. As we go into the weekend, things improve. Our next risk for severe weather comes in here Monday, mainly for southern and southeastern Oklahoma. And while the risk is setting up here, we're going to see some pretty nice rain totals with this next system as we go into Monday and Tuesday. Widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain for central northwestern Oklahoma, up to 1 inch of rain for western and southwestern Oklahoma. It's almost like we're trying to make up for the lack of rain that we have experienced for the last 6 months. We're not out of a drought, but my goodness, this is going to really help us in a pretty big way as long as it keeps raining. We can't shut off the rain system here just quite yet going into springtime, but it's always nice when you can see these wetter weather systems roll in here before we officially start spring, which is not for a couple more days. Good news here, the weekend, beautiful 70s, a little bit of a breeze, but the weather quickly rebounds. And then our highest rain chance is going to be on Monday, lingering into Tuesday. After Tuesday, we'll dry out for a bit, and it will officially be springtime with highs in the 60s. And you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.